Yes guys, and we're back for another video, and today we are going to be doing woodwork challenges. Yes, you named it. And today I'm here with my friend Tate. Yep. And yeah, so let's get on with this.
Come on.
So Tate's taking first, and we're taking there, roughly there, yeah? So
okay.
and it's call out, by the way, so
I'm going to try and go crossbar. Off we go. Oh, that was so close.
Unlucky. So, as Tate's making his way back.
That was unlucky.
Yeah.
Very.
So, let's go. Come on, go. Let's keep dabbing on them heaters, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. Right, I'm going right post. Oh, no!
Oh, no. Completely opposite direction.
So, by the way, and we're doing a call out.
Call out.
So, we're gonna be giving away this CR7 ball with the latest version and everything, yeah? CR7 football kit and everything, yeah? So, let's go. Take your go. So,
come on. I'm gonna call out left post.
Left post it is then. Oh. Just try and get my sword.
Just to tell you, there were no rebounds.
Yep. So I think I'm gonna have a crack at the crossbar. Link in bio.
So close. Hold on a second, we'll be back. Let's go get that ball. We've got the ball back. And it's my go.
We'll take over. And yeah, Tate's go.
I'm going crossbar again. Here we go.
Oh, that was close. Right, okay, so.
Last time it was over the bar, this time it's under the bar.
Remember to comment, who do you think is the better footballer? Right, I'm going right post again. Are we counting skimmers?
We are not counting skimmers, so that wasn't one.
Okay.
Unlucky, Calum. If you're wondering why I've got spots on, it's children in need and we did spottiness.
Yeah. So, yeah, as Tate said, has to be full contact. So no skimmers. What are you going for?
Crossbar again, come on.
Oh, that is just so close. Right, this is my new iPhone 8, by the way. So, yeah. Cost over £1,000, man. And at the end, I'll show you it. So, let's go.
Off we go. Where are you going?
I'm going left post.
Off we go.
Oh, no, guys,
that did not hit it, so no. That doesn't count.
Right. Okay. So
I'm gonna go left post. Oh, so close, right down the middle.
Right. By the way, the posts are on either side, not in the middle, yeah? If you don't do it this time. Okay.
And off we go. If you don't do it this time, our goes, then we're gonna go back to penalties. Right post, that did not count. Unlucky.
Oh, can I retake that? I sliced it.
Alright, fine. He's retaking it.
Right. Just slow but accurate. Oh my!
That was close, but it didn't work.
Right, if we miss this,
we're gonna go on to penalties.
And my fine keeper here will be in goal.
That's me.
So, you hoping you're gonna get this?
Crossbar this time.
No, you're not gonna get it.
So close.
Right, if we miss this one, this is actually, so if we miss this, I'm actually saying we're gonna.
If I miss this, gonna want pens.
Right, okay.
Crossbar. Oh,
so
close.
Do you think that hit? I think we'll count skimmers.
We'll count skimmers, so it's 1-1. Let's end the day at a draw. Now we do penalties.
Yeah, so it's 1-1. So for the second challenge, we are doing penalties. So let's get on it. You get your gloves, and yeah, I'll hold it. So, yep. Yeah. Just gonna take a quick shot. Wait, there's my trampoline. It's quite broken at the moment. Back door. My house up there.
Whilst we're doing it.
Okay. Yeah. Right, so. Right. Guys, I want you to put in the comment below how much you think this jumper is worth, yeah? And if you want to see another video like this, I want to at least get 100 likes, yeah? And I got this idea from watching other people on YouTube and doing this. So yeah, this is why I'm here. By the way, if you didn't get the names, it's Calum, Tate. We'll be doing one on Tate's channel later, maybe, and we'll be doing, and this is my channel one, yeah. So yeah, here's my mom. Say hello to the camera.
Bonjour.
Wow. So it's
Right,
it's in selfie mode. So
Yeah, so I need to turn it. So how
Yes.
do we do that?
Oh, it's your phone. It's an iPhone 8.
I scraped my hand, Mum.
No, just turn around.
Mum, look, I scraped my hand.
Oh, I can't see then, can I?
Oh. Sorry.
How do you do selfie mode? Get off. What's that button?
No, I think you have to stay on that. Can you? I think you have to stay on safety. Come on then.
I can't. Can you tell me?
It's fine. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Just hold it there, yeah?
Let's go. So, first penalty. Let's do this. This is our Norwich
Can you
keeper.
see it?
And this is our Norwich football player. Let's go. Turn it to the other goal. No. Let's go.
Come on then. Oh,
First penalty in.
good penalty.
It's a banger. An absolute banger.
10 shots each, then we score.
Shall we say 5?
Alright, 5 shots each.
Yeah, because Tate's got going. Oh, nearly!
I thought he would dive, so I tried and chipped it down the middle, but
That was unlucky. Here we go, another one.
check the new merch out in the description below. So,
Come on then.
Oh, we missed!
He missed.
so far that is 2 out of 3. Still not bad. And at the end, hopefully my mum will get a shot.
Can you keep the door closed, please? Straight at the keeper.
It's just rubbish.
Right.
Hey, I just met you.
2 out of 4. This is going in.
So here's my number. So call me later.
No, he's falling over because of the power. That is what you call a banger. So let's swap.
Close the door, Olivia, please.
Bangers and mash.
Close the door, please.
Just doing the gloves.
Just my 2
Alright,
sisters
close the
there,
door.
they're just like messing about.
Right, take your turn.
My turn.
Just get the gloves on. You gonna have a practice shot?
Yeah.
Or you may want to sort of hurry up here because I'm freezing.
Top left.
Oh, wow.
I think that deserves a 10 likes. If you get crossbar in here, Tate, I hope for everyone that's watching this to subscribe. If you get a crossbar here, go on then, Tate. This is depending on you.
Oh, that was so close. Come on. I need to go get that ball.
Chuck it over. So, who do you think's gonna win? Put in the comment section now. So let's do this. Right,
Let's go.
go. Let's go.
Yours isn't that hard to beat, Callum, to be fair.
3, that's alright.
Come on then.
Not a keeper though.
I'm not an outfield player.
Oh.
Went for the eye.
He was going for the corner, so that is not out of 1 so far. I think I fancy some chances in this one.
That's in.
That was a poor save, Callum.
Guys, is why I'm not a keeper, yeah? And, yeah. If I let one in like that again, you have to put another like in. That's just...
No, look. Good time,
No,
missed
the
it.
pen didn't work.
You gotta look.
1 out of 3 after school. Both of these to draw.
Well, both these. Yeah. Here we
Both
go.
of these to draw.
Better get this.
Oh.
Oh, it's safe. These
Oh,
last.
so close. Where's the goal line technology?
What's the time? Oh.
Last one.
Last one. Oh, no, look,
what
and
a
it's in.
goal.
Is that in?
Yes, that was
Put a
in.
comment in if that is in.
Doesn't
That's
matter,
it.
it went over.
Right. I'm not happy with that. So that is 2 out of 5, was it?
Yes.
What's the time?
Signing off.
So I want to see my mum take a quick pen.
I can't because I haven't
She
got the...
can, don't worry. Alright, just take 1 pen.
Come on,
1 pen.
let's go.
Go on. Right.
Callum's
no one in
mum v him.
goal. 2 pens.
No one in goal.
That
Yes!
is a belter. That is
Belter.
oh my. You can do that again. You have to subscribe, guys. You can do that
Come
again.
on, that's a mum.
What do you mean that's a mum?
That is oh my. By the way, she plays football, so.
Go on, top right.
Oh, lovely.
what
That
a
was
finish.
top right as well.
Well done.
Right, well done. High five.
It's the end of the video.
See you.
Bye.
Subscribe, put a comment in the section below and like this video. Peace out.